Guys, amazing race. Let's go.
Idol mo to deck.
Boy! Grabe pawis namin, no? Basang-basa.
Congratulations, team number. Let's go! Yo! Jet Lao!
So guys, we're here dito sa convention center. Lamang. Guys, kainan na naman ito tanghali, boy. 11 pa lang.
Quality ang feel, fast transaction, wala nang appeal, isang usap lang. Bimba! Jet Lao, buy, trade and deal.
So guys, parang may event dito. So parang may game daw kaming gagawin. May photo booth din dyan. Try natin, guys.
Sana all.
It's a zero!
Uy, bawal baka makita ng mami ko ha.
Yun lang.
Swap o cash, presyo real. Dream bike mo, hawak mo't may susi ka na rin. Smooth process.
Hirap na hirap sila, oh. Ayan, ano yan? Grade 1.
Bakit?
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Oh my God! Ang bilis nila tumakbo.
A few moments later.
Hindi na kinaya yung takbo, guys. Naglakad na lang. Oh, ay, hiwalay-hiwalayin nyo na lang. Layuan nyo, layuan. Touch nyo daw sa dulo. Tingin na. Yay! 5! 5! Yay!
Using the express pass in the camera to exchange your team vehicles, movement rules and safety.
Form a single line. Ensure your team stays in the single information at all times. Stay close to the right side of the path following the lead of your team referee. Destination is the back gate of Vincom Mega Mall. Layo sa Ortigas, Ocean Park.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Grabe pawis na natin, oh.
Let's go. Let's go.
Guys, amazing race. Let's go.
Let's go! Jet Lao, buy.
Tingnan mo guys, we're here at Beverly Hills. Tingnan mo, oh, beach, oh. Tapos yung mga bahay, oh. Wow! Pare-pareho ng bahay, pare-pareho ng bubong. So ito tinatawag guys na Vin Home. So kay VinFast din to, sila rin may-ari ng Vin Home. Marami silang property, na mga realty sila.
Swap o cash, presyo real. Dream bike mo, hawak mo't may susi ka na.
Ciao! So guys, babalik tayong battery.
Congratulations!
Picture natin, kailangan galit ha. 2, 3. Oh, let's go! Go guys, next challenge. Hindi ko mabanggain doon, warak yung mukha ko nun. Put on the costumes. Once fully dressed, the whole team must take the selfie with the Vinhome Ocean signage. All team members must post the photo on their social media account. All team lahat. Show the post to the referee at the checkpoint to confirm completion and receive next secret clue.
Dan. Ang gaganda ng costume pero dudugyot na namin. Ito yung mga boys. Very handsome. Sir, you are Vietnamese.
Oh my God!
Yan. Tama. Kailangan niya magaan ang katawan eh. Okay, fishing. Ayan na.
Yes! You will wait for us.
Ano daw?
Hey, you watch and learn, ha? Ha? What are you doing? Pang-motor lang kayo, boy. Boy, pang-motor ka lang, boy. Hey!
Wala, cheerleader ka lang!
Idol mo to deck.
Boy!
Ang galing yung motor deck, iba talaga pag magaan. Wow! Magnet yan, magnet. Okay, bayaan mo sila. Para ma-disqualify sila. Hindi, ulit daw kayo, oy! Letter, ulit daw kayo!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Lagi ganyan, ulit ka ulit. 5 ganyan, pare. guys, tapos na kami sa 4 na challenge. So, pabalik na kami ng finish line. Grabe, pawis na kami, no? Basang-basa. Pati pantalon, no? Basa na.
Isang usap lang.
Congratulations, but you are not finished yet. And after that, welcome.
Thank you, Lily! Thank you! Okay, wanna go!
Pagpasok mo pa lang, kita mo na agad. Big bikes nakaline.
Alam natin ang feeling na yan. Yung sobrang init, pati ulo mo umiinit.
To give all of you a big round of applause for the journey today. Thank you. We have the consolation prize 7. And team number 5.
Pumasok tayo. Five.
Number 4. Team number 2. Number 3. Go on stage for consolation prize.
Consolation tayo.
The second prize. Congratulations, team number 6. It's been the team number that's our champion today.
I've tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall.
Club America Latina, guys. Sa Vietnam tayo. Akala nyo sa Amerika, no? Lee Club.
Boy, kumain ka na. Alam mo ba kainin yan?
Sinchao.
Ano yan?
Ambot. Gulay pa pala.
Bawal kumopya ha.
Mali ako,
Ba't
mali ako.
nangungopia ka?
Gulay, then suka. Okay na yun.
Masarap.
May susi ka na rin, smooth process pare, panalo ka pa rin. Pagpasok mo pa lang, kita mo na agad. Big bikes naka-line up, hindi ka malulunod sa tag. From classic to superbike, lahat legit. Makina malinis, every detail fit. May trade ka ba? Tara! Check natin yan, upgrade na